Ever wondered about the currency used in VIPs? I mean, it's a pretty popular mobile payment app, right? So, let's dive into the mystery. Imagine this: you're in Norway, ready to explore the fjords, but your wallet's feeling a bit light. Luckily, you remember you have this app called VIPs. But wait, what currency do you need to make payments on it? VIPs is a Norwegian mobile payment app developed by DNB Bank ASA. It's basically like a digital wallet, allowing you to send and receive money, pay bills, and even buy groceries. But before you can start using it, you need to understand the currency behind it. So, what is the currency used in VIPs? It's the Norwegian krone, NOK. That's right, the same currency you'll find on Norwegian banknotes and coins. VIPs is designed to cater to the needs of Norwegian users, so it makes sense that the currency is aligned with the local currency. Expanding on the topic, now, you might be wondering, can I use VIPs with a different currency? Well, technically, you can. If you have a foreign bank account linked to VIPs, you can make payments in your home currency. However, there might be conversion fees involved, so it's always a good idea to check with your bank first. Additional information: aside from the Norwegian krone, VIPs also supports a few other currencies for international transactions. But, for the most part, it's primarily focused on the Norwegian market. Practical tips: if you're planning a trip to Norway and want to use VIPs, here are a few tips. Download the app before you go. This will save you time and hassle once you're in the country. Link your Norwegian bank account to VIPs. This will allow you to make payments seamlessly. Check for any fees associated with international transactions. As mentioned earlier, there might be conversion fees involved. So, there you have it. The currency used in VIPs is the Norwegian krone. Whether you're a Norwegian resident or a tourist visiting the country, understanding this simple fact will help you make the most of this convenient mobile payment app. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.